What's up, guys? Chief Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video. This one is probably one of the more exciting unboxings that I've done in a while, at least to me, probably to none of you guys, especially if you're here for sneakers, because I'm gonna say it's not really related to sneakers, but it is something related to me. And if you guys can tell, I'm wearing a hockey jersey, so that would be a giveaway, giveaway of it. But something I'm really excited about. I haven't had a new pair in probably like 7 years, maybe max. So it's been a while, and my old ones are just kind of breaking down, and I really need a new pair. So I'm really excited about these. It's kind of, I guess they're kind of sneaker related because you do put them on your feet, but they have nothing to do with just wearing around and not really hypey stuff. But I thought I should unbox them because they are pretty expensive and they are something that interests me. Plus, it's an unboxing, so why not? And plus, they like kind of look like shoes. So with that being said, let's just get right into the unboxing. At this point, I would do a top-down view, but I feel like it just doesn't really make sense with these because they are pretty big, and I feel like top-down might not show you guys everything. But I will show you guys some B-roll of these when I actually do get them unboxed, because they are pretty cool. If you guys have never seen them before, I think they look pretty cool just because I guess it's important to me. But yeah, let me get this out of the plastic. It's not coming off easy. So I'm learning from this, the knife is just not sharp at all, because this is just like not hard plastic. So cool, we'll just rip it off. Knife's not sharp enough for this. All right, there it is. I can tell you that no other sneakerhead on YouTube, I imagine, has unboxed these, so this would be a first, at least for the sneaker community of people unboxing these. But these are Bauer Supremes. What are they? S37 skates. If you guys don't know what Bauer is, they used to be owned by Nike. I don't really know who owns them now, but they were a Nike company for a while, and now they're just do hockey skates. But they do, they make hockey everything, and that's my main company that I like to use, just because I've used Bauer like everything, so I keep using Bauer stuff. So these are Supremes. Let's see. So the blades aren't sharp on these yet. You have to go get them sharpened, just because that's how it works. But these are Bauer Supreme S37s. They're not like crazy high-end skates, but skates can be pretty expensive. These are $230 something skates, so they're not like super crazy. I was thinking about getting some $350 ones, but I don't play at a high level anymore, so I don't really need that. But they are just plain hockey skates. The Supreme, if you guys care a little bit at all, Bauer Supreme is more for like power and stuff. I'm a defenseman, so I need more of power skating than like quick agility, just because that's not how I play. But they are plastic skates, like a felt ton. You guys want to see the blade, you can. The blade's actually on this, which is completely different from what I have. I won't pop them out because I'm gonna mess it up, but you can pop the blade out and replace them, and I'll actually show you guys compared to my other skates what these look like, because my other ones are really beat up. But these are Supreme. They got some gold and black on it, which is kind of the Supreme thing. With Vapor, they use red, and what they use for the Nexus is blue. So I like Supreme. My sticks are Supreme, and why not? Because I think Supremes look pretty good. I like the blue better, but I think to fit my playstyle more, the Supremes are a little bit better. But these are pretty big. They're pretty heavy, but for hockey skates, that's what you expect, because there's a metal blade at the bottom. But these will be really tough to break in, just because like anything, you got to break it in a little bit. And since these are like really like hard plastic and probably a little bit of carbon fiber on there, these are really rough to break in. So my feet will be hurting for a couple of weeks at least, because I only play at least twice a week. So it might take me a full season to break these in, but you can bake them. I don't know if these ones you can, but other hockey skates you can bake, and when you bake it, it forms to your foot. So you can make it a little bit tighter and have that break-in period a little lessened. But it's really soft on the inside. It's meant to take pucks at your feet so your feet don't get hurt. So it is protection on top of being the way you play hockey. So these are protective. They are good for that, and I think they look pretty cool. We'll see if I like them. I mean, I'm gonna have to, because these are the ones I bought. I'm not gonna be getting other ones, but I like them. Size 13 shoes, so they are really big compared to a lot of other people's, but I really like them. Bauer Supreme S37s, probably one of my favorite things I've boxed in a really long time, just because I really like hockey. I've been playing since I was 4, so and I'm almost 25 now, so it's been almost 21 years of playing hockey. These are probably one of the nicer skates I got. Let me actually show you guys my previous skates and show you how beat up they are compared to a brand new set of skates, which is kind of crazy. So let me show you guys that, and then we'll show you guys some B-roll, because I think they look pretty cool, and if you just like the design of stuff, then I think these look pretty good. And also, just so you guys know, I probably should have said this earlier, it has nothing to do with Supreme, the skate company. It's just Bauer Supreme. That's just what they call their skates and sticks. It's just a brand within Bauer. So let me show you guys my old skates and show you the difference of new skates versus some old skates. Here on my left is my old skate. It's a Bauer Vapor something. I think it's like an X50 or something like that. So it's kind of old, pretty old actually at this point. Didn't even know there's like rivets falling off in the back here. And then this is the Bauer Supreme. So as you guys can tell, probably just even from the front, this one, they're also a little different styles, but this one has seen a lot of wear, and obviously this one has never been worn before. But just some other views, these ones have been trashed, been destroyed by their skates, and then even the back, so this back flap back here is falling off. That's why it's actually taped up, where this one obviously is not anymore. And then this one even has an eyelet coming out of the actual boot. So this one has seen obviously much better days. Pretty good. I think I've had these for around 7 years at this point. And then even, so the blade is sharp on these, which is something I'm going to have to get used to, is the height of my blade, which you guys can't really tell. I can probably show a little bit better. The height of the blade is probably a decent amount bigger, just because I've been playing on these and getting them sharpened for a while. So I will have to get used to being a little higher on the ice compared to my old skates. But these are obviously broken in, and these aren't, but they should be the same size, both 11.5s. Just had them forever. But as you guys can tell, through 7 years or whatever worth of wear compared to this one, which is brand new, it's just going to get run down a lot more, and the rate playing and then water will rust some things on there. So it's just, I need some new ones, as you guys can tell, and I think these are a pretty good one. So that was my old skate. I'm much happier with the new ones. I think they will look a lot better. Hopefully they don't hurt my feet too much, and maybe if I can bake them in the oven, that'll be really nice. So hopefully all that works out, and I do enjoy these skates. And I know this isn't a sneaker unboxing or even some hypebeast stuff, but it is something I like, and these are pretty expensive. They're the same price as a pair of sneakers, and I put them on my feet, so I was like, might as well do a video of them. So yeah, really happy with this, really happy with the purchase. As you guys can tell, I know a lot more about hockey skates than I do about sneakers. Just putting that out there, because I have played for 21 years. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think of the skates. Probably none of you guys care except David. He'll hopefully care, and maybe Luke, because he also plays hockey. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.